Right, you have to blow those out now.
I don't know if I have enough strength to do it.
Yeah, we've got a Georgie help.
Georgie might help.
Georgie, you and
Gigi,
gonna help?
Gigi, do you want to help?
Yeah.
Okay, count to
Ah,
three.
yes.
So we
Ah,
count,
yes.
you count to three and then you both blow out the candles.
Okay.
Okay?
1,
1,
2, 3.
blow.
Gonna blow out.
I think you've got to get closer, Gigi.
Try it again. Try again. Slower.
There we go.
Yeah. Yes.
Good practice. Keep going.
Let me turn it around, Dick. Let me see. We'll move it around so you can move it. So you can blow them out. So try again. Ah, good. Good. Good.